Hello everyone, this is Bharat from Hearts. We are sitting in metro cities having access to all the needs, but what about the people in the rural areas? And what about their medical needs? Being a rider of galvanizing community of riders from Roadsil, we would like to introduce Dr. M.S. Murthy from Mangala village, Bandipur forest, who is a medical officer from last 4 years in the rural areas. Could you please share few of your challenging situations that you face?
Basically, I'm from a rural background, so it was not a new thing for me because I had seen what was the difference between urban and rural. To say rural area, we can say more it as tribal areas, that too, which is inside the forest. It's almost every areas are high risk areas. There is no proper mode of transportation to that place. Okay, so hence we had to certain distance we can go by vehicle, but from there we had to walk to their houses, or which we call it as hardy in forest language. So, and to go there and convince them regarding health education and giving them precautions and convince them to get vaccinated and take precautions regarding COVID. So it was quite challenging.
So, what was your working hours during pandemic?
There was no such working up. To be honest, we worked around the clock. So it might be 10 in the night or 6 in the morning, because medical emergencies doesn't have any time limitations or exact timings.
How did you cope up without your family and friends during this pandemic?
Since it was lockdown, we were working far from them. Physically, they were not with us, but mentally and emotionally, their support was very much important to me, and they used to be with me like every night. They used to call me and they used to ask every updates of mine.
Was there any difficult situation that struck you mentally during this phase?
I was stuck mentally a little bit because the people we used to see every day, right, had passed away due to COVID. So it was not an easy one to take so normal. It might be close relatives or friends, or someone we know had passed away. So it was really hard for us to digest those things. I mean, someone was there today and the next day is not there, or she's not there. So it was difficult for us. But at the end, we had to focus our mind and we had to fight together. So we had to concentrate on the job what we were doing.
What is your long-term goal in the field of medicine that you would like to achieve?
In the field of medicine means being a doctor, once we gain the knowledge, it doesn't have a retirement age. Even if we are above 60 also, we can pass the knowledge and we can help others.
How difficult was it for you to stay back in rural areas and help serve people during pandemics?
Actually, it was not an easy task. So, to stay away from friends and family and do all these things. It was first time for everyone, but there was no other option. We were almost 2 months away from friends and family. So we were on our own.
Being a part of Roadsil, what was the help that you received from your group?
I'm really glad that I'm part of Roadsil, and I really thank Roadsil community, especially Roadsil Mysore admin PC Manjunath. Even though they were not physically around us, but they helped a lot. Like there were scenarios where if we wanted some ICU beds for the patient and it was someone we know, so we would spread the word. So it used to we used to gather information from all the chapters. So even then, from Shimoga, Bangalore, Mysore. Okay, so it used to go like that, and they used to gather information so quickly, and they used to help. And not for the ICU bed accommodation, or it was like for blood donation or plasma donation. Anything you need, any help you need, they were there. So I really thank Rotel community, and I'm really glad that I'm part of Rotel.
So, what message you would like to share with people as the third wave is approaching?
Frequently sanitize yourself. Avoid places where there is huge crowd gathering, and maintain social distancing. And main importantly, please get vaccinated. The vaccines that government of India is providing, they're totally safe, and I request you get both the shots, both the doses, first and second dose. Please don't neglect about the vaccine. And if you have any symptoms regarding COVID or COVID-19, please don't hesitate to visit your nearest health facility, and please get treated.
We at Arts taken an initiative to appreciate doctors and frontline warriors with the hashtag Arts to the Heroes. I would like to appreciate Dr. A.M.S. Murthy with a small token of appreciation. As we all saw, a frontline warrior, Dr. A.M.S. Murthy, who has inspired many young lads to take up social initiative and help the needy people. Please stay tuned for more interesting videos. This is Arts, and we value your emotions.